Matthew from Matthew Lester Website Design. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your tracking number on a Shopify order. First thing to do is open your order in Shopify so you can see the order details. Now this particular order has been partially fulfilled and it has two tracking numbers, but the problem is this first tracking number is incorrect. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the More box, click Edit Tracking. Now because this came in through a IPA, and it's a script that actually updates all the tracking numbers for me, or for the client, you want to change it to the correct carrier. This was not DHL, it was actually USPS. Now this sometimes happens with FedEx Smart Post. You know, it's that cheap rate where you get really cheap rates from FedEx, where they take their, FedEx will pick it up from you and then they hand it off to USPS for the final delivery. So in Shopify, I think there's a glitch in this where, because we're using the API, it doesn't recognize the tracking number for FedEx Smart. So right now I've changed this. You can also update the tracking number if that's incorrect. You can send this notification to the customer when you click Save. I'm not going to send the customer the notification. I'm going to click Save. And now the tracking number has been saved. But once you've done that, make sure you archive your order if it's not archived, and you're ready to go. So that's how to change a tracking number on a Shopify order. It's Matthew Lester from Matthew Lester Website Design. Please give me a comment, a like, and subscribe for more of my Shopify videos.